Good morning, guys. Hello, how you doing? How you been? I don't know what the fuck is this video, but get on with it. Oh yeah, it's the start of it's summer. It's summer. You know what that means. Yesterday we partied way too hard on a Thursday, so this is the time. This helps me. This is the best, the GOAT. Cheers. I look miserable. I'm gonna brush my teeth. You don't even start my video. What's up, guys? My name is SNAP-Sydneydurann and welcome to my fucking channel.
1, 2, 3, let's switch.
Tienes algo que no sé, pero me enloquece. Como te hizo Diosito, te hizo ver.
And look at this friend. I'm trying to be less awkward because they know I freaking record videos and I still get awkward. My timer. Alexa, stop. Bro, yesterday my suegra gave me these. Okay, I think she likes me. I'm gonna start with my skincare. My face needs it ASAP. Cetaphil moisturizer so it can like soak in with the water or some shit like that. Being hungover doesn't mean being musty. Like, girl, like, I wouldn't say it's the greatest, but it's alright, you know. And it's a lot of bubbles, so it makes you burp, so it helps you. And I don't fucking know the benefit because I am not. The fuck? I'm gonna put some sunscreen because it's motherfucking summer. My bag is full of shit. Like, I put a lot of shit here. I bought some new lashes. This is what I was looking for. My brush. Because, yeah, I take my brush everywhere. So, it was the last week of school, obviously, and they paid me. This is my skincare now. I don't do a lot. But today was necessary to double cleanse because, bitch. This is what I'm doing.
¿Y usted cómo anda? Sí.
No, I cannot do this no more. Nada's gonna keep drinking today, part 2.
Sí.
Guys, it's an hour later and, well, like an hour. How long has it been? An hour and a half later? I'm about to finish it. I'm gonna shower because, girl, I just feel musty. But I'm gonna take a shower because I want to feel better. But I think we're gonna go to the pool, so it's just a waste of thing for me to shower. Not shower. Brush my feet again. No, español.
Yo hablo poquito español.
¿Qué naco? This is the only angle I can because all this is nasty. Now I'm washing my face because we went to the beach. I already brushed my teeth, but I forgot that this was the summer vlog. I couldn't forget to record in the restroom. Oh no, I look so bad. I haven't been sleeping, so definitely look kind of crazy. Oh, I haven't been sleeping, and you can like literally tell that I haven't been sleeping. They never let me do my skincare, so I gotta hurry up. This is the outfit. Literally always charging my phone. Bruh. Moisturizer and some sunscreen. Rafael, your sunscreen, please. Esto es agua. I know which ones I want. I want those and those. My phone doesn't fall. I'm gonna show you what I got. I got me some cheese. Please do not touch the door. I got me some. Can you even see? ¡Ah! ¡Tiró bien feo la puerta! I got me some canelitas. And in Arizona. I got bye-bye.
Mami me envuelve en esa curva, sin decirle nada a otra, solo comerte la insulta. Me tiene la mente bruta, no me puedo explicar por qué tanto tú me gusta. Con eso la agarro fuego, antes todos te pichaban, le diste vuelta al tablero. Ahora tú eres la dueña de este juego, y ella no se va a bajar porque tiene arriba el ego. Y está bueno, ella se lo merece, después de tantos hombres causándole estupideces. Hace lo que quiera, merece, y se sabe cuidar bien, pero todavía recen que no la encuentren. Ella es una diabla que tiene la mente demasiado macabra.
Welcome to the store, guys. We're eating some pizza.
Mami, estás bien bonita, mami, estás bien bonita, me
gonna call you right now.
No, I don't want your number no more. I don't need your number no more. I'm gonna try this half and half because I never tried it. It tastes the same, like the original. Making our 30-year-old sister. Learning. I like this one better. It's full? I grabbed my vape. That's the first thing I grabbed. Me shotgunning. Me shotgunning. Me moral support. Go. That was fast.
So it could be free faster.
Anyways, because you cheated. Bro. Bro, what are you doing with that? We're trying to see the chisme because somebody got lost. For my blog, a ver, ¿qué se mira allá atrás?
No se mira nada, pero we're just recording.
I don't fuck with this hoe. Con el flow, fuck with this hoe. Fuck this hoe. ¡Ay, qué horrible!
Oh, glad. Hey, no estamos de chismosos, pero nomás allá estaba un policía allá atrás.
Nomás estamos aquí a ver qué
estamos
pasa.
grabando a ver qué es lo que pasa.
Hey, chisme. We're looking at the chisme over here. Yeah, the update. This is the beach. Oh, it looks so beautiful, bro.
I have a picture of the car, but I don't know where it is.
Number, I don't know what. What that is, motor support over here.
Mami, yo ya no sé qué pensar. Cuando te veo no te quiero mirar. Hoy no sé